Today we're going to be working on a drill from Phil Capel's Play Your Best 8-Ball. This is 4 common short rail bank shots that you must. I'm going to leave a link below so you could go ahead and purchase this book, check it out, check the reviews, and again, trust me, it's an excellent book. You will not be disappointed. So again, look at the link below if you're interested in purchasing this book. Alright, so the setup is, as you see it, I have my cue ball, center diamond off my short rail, second diamond off my long rail. Remember, pockets count as a diamond. So, corner pockets, first diamond, next one in is my second diamond. I'm going to make the 10 ball in this corner pocket. Now, me personally, I love bank shots, but a lot of people are afraid of them. So we'll set that shot up again. This is something you just have to feel out. A shot like this, you usually hit approximately half the ball. That's a good starting point because the cue ball's in straight alignment with your object ball. So I go ahead and I would take my first shot, half the object ball. Now, after you do that and the ball comes, if you hit the short rail, make the adjustment. Okay, and here's number 2. I have, again, the cue ball, center diamond from the short rail, and it's halfway between my side pocket and the next diamond over. My object ball is about 5 inches off the rail in between the side pocket and the next diamond over. So I'm in a straight line between my cue ball and my object ball. We're going to make the 10 ball in this side pocket here. So let's go ahead and take the shot. Okay, practice that one again until you're comfortable with it, till you figure out that cut angle. And these shots will come up during the game. I've won a game by making 4 bank shots in a row when I was playing 8-ball. Sunk my last 3 object balls because I had no other choice but to bank, and I also banked the 8-ball to win the game. So these shots are crucial. Okay, now here we are with shot number 3. Same setup, we're just on the other side of that same side pocket. All I did was take the cue ball, bring it center position on the table, center diamond on the short rail, 1 diamond over from the side pocket. My object ball, again, 5-6 inches off the side rail, aligned with the diamond. So right now, I'm straight. I'm going to make the 10 ball in this side pocket. This is the same shot as we just did on the opposite side of this particular side pocket. So now we're cutting the ball in the opposite direction. Before I was cutting the object ball to my right, now I'm cutting the object ball to my left. Again, same side pocket. Same principle. First shot, if you're not sure. You go ahead, hit a half a ball. See where it winds up. Again, you make adjustments. You go ahead and you cut it long. That means you cut it too much. If you went long with the object ball. If the object ball came short, you didn't cut it enough. Go ahead and make your adjustments necessary till you perfect that shot and get comfortable with it. Is set up. Center diamond off the short rail. 1, 2, 3 diamonds over from the corner pocket. Object ball is approximately between your second and third diamond, as you can see, and about 4 or 5 inches off the side rail. We're going to go ahead and make it the 10 ball in this corner pocket. This is what I call a dead bank shot. It's just about, if I hit this cue ball straight into that 10 ball, it should come straight to that corner pocket. The angle's already there. Once you've been playing and you practice these bank shots a lot, this has just come to you. You'll already know when you see a dead bank, at least as what I call a dead bank. The angle's already there. Remember, when you're banking, the angle that you're going into your shot is the same angle that the object ball is going to come out of. Thanks for joining me, and as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, share with friends and family, and please leave comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if there's anything in particular that you're practicing on that you'd like me to demonstrate for you, please, again, leave the comment below and I'll put together a video just for you.